Doug Oppenheimer, COO of HD Fleet, had several business priorities to tackle. New product features needed to be delivered. The core IP product had to scale to support business growth without compromising the quality, and he had to work on slim budgets with tight deadlines. Doug had a plan. The in-house team was tasked with the most important deliverable: customer experience. He selected Trigent as the strategic IT partner.
We needed a company that had the resources already available, so when we were growing, we could partner with someone to help us grow our application. Well, there was a few main reasons why we did. First, they have 2 years of experience. Second, it provided us a flexible solution to have an augmented team in a different time region. It provides us to do release management overnight so our clients don't experience outages. It also provided us expertise in certain areas that we didn't have, such as GPS location tracking, software development with new technologies, and it just provided us a flexible, cost-effective solution. HD Fleet's partnership with Trigent Software has been a great experience for us. They've been helping us grow our business without adding additional resources on site. It's provided us a level of additional redundancies and coverage that we would not have if we use someone locally. Trigent provides a few things for us at HD Fleet. They provide a development department, a quality assurance department, and support for our HD Fleet.net application. The solutions that we have been given by Trigent has allowed us to scale and has given us an application that's clearly cutting edge compared to our competitors. We're able to basically take real-time data, present it in a usable format for our clients. Trigent Software has provided HD Fleet with consistency and reliability to ensure that we can release products on time.